Hello everyone. Today we will practice the word Tuesday. Let's practice with me. Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
I work Tuesday. Meeting on Tuesday. We meet Tuesday morning. The report is due Tuesday. I have a call Tuesday afternoon. Please send the file Tuesday. Can we meet Tuesday evening? Tuesday is a busy day. I will finish it Tuesday. Let's plan for Tuesday. Tuesday works for me. I start the project Tuesday. We review the plan Tuesday. The deadline is Tuesday. I will call you Tuesday. Tuesday is good for the meeting. I have a report due Tuesday. Let's confirm the time Tuesday. I will send the email Tuesday. We can discuss it Tuesday. Tuesday is perfect for the presentation. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again in tomorrow's video.